Good morning, everyone. It's iCurly K here. It is Wednesday, March 11th, and we are about to get into the free trade idea of the day. As you all can see, I am looking at Costco. I see that there is a very beautiful shooting star candle on Costco. We're hovering right at VWAP and the 9 moving average. I'm very curious to see if we're actually going to get this pull to the downside because a shooting star candle absolutely represents a reversal to the downside. So that's how I'm going to be looking at it starting off for today. Now, the strat teaches us to be prepared in either direction in the event that there is some type of catalyst, any type of news that comes out that could actually reverse it to the upside. So we want to make sure that we're charting it out to be prepared in either direction. But my bias starting off is to the downside. So let's go ahead and map this thing right on out. So we have our put entry. We found it on the daily time frame, so we have to label it as such. And while we're here, let's go ahead and figure out our magnitude. So 977.70. Let's do that again. So this will be our ATR target. And let's pull out our price target, which is essentially areas that you consider taking profit. Let's move it over to the 4 hour. Actually, I'm going to go over to the 1 because waiting for that 4 hour to trigger, if it's going to go up to the upside, it's going to take quite a while. So we are just going to think outside the box here and move over to the 1 hour. So call entry 1 hour. And now let's figure out our magnitude to the upside. So 1016.77. ATR target. I actually should have just cloned that. Make my life easier. PT 1 hour. And let's see. Yep, we do have some more targets up here. Yeah. And the reason why we figure out our magnitude or how far to the upside or downside we can go first is so that we're not, creating price targets into infinity and beyond. All right, everyone. So now let's talk about the strike prices that we should be looking at. So if we decide to push to the downside, I would honestly do in the money to 985. So in the money to 985. Now a 980 would work, okay? But in the money to 985 gets you in the money sooner, right? And so you're making more money if it continues to drop below 985, which it can actually do if we decided to do nothing but drop today, right? So the ATR target is not a guaranteed area that we will get to. It basically just means, hey, if today is today, that Costco decided to do nothing but drop, that's where it could get to. Now, to the upside, I would be looking at anything in the money to 1010. So 1010 on the strike price. All right. So, everyone, if you like these videos and you like to see them continuously coming in, please remember to like, comment, and subscribe. If you're interested in joining the Discord, I do have it pinned to my YouTube bio. So, come on and join the family of almost 500 or over 500 members, I should state. So, I hope to see you in Baggage Claim. Have an amazing day. Bye.